Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to reactivate your expired Globe SIM card in the Philippines. Time is crucial, so act quickly. First, understand that Globe SIMs expire after a period of inactivity, usually 120 days of no use. After expiration, you have a grace period to reactivate. Next, immediately visit the nearest Globe store or Globe Business Center. Bring your expired SIM, one valid government ID, and the original SIM packaging if available. Then, fill out the reactivation request form provided by the Globe representative. You'll need to provide your personal details and the SIM number. After that, the representative will verify your identity and process the reactivation request. This service is usually free, but there might be a minimal fee. If successful, your SIM will be reactivated within 24 to 48 hours. You'll retain your original number if reactivated within the grace period. Important, after reactivation, immediately make a call or send a text to prevent immediate re-expiration. Consider subscribing to a promos to keep your SIM active. If this guide saved your Globe number, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.